This is Janelle's TV, and it's yet another Sunday morning, and I just woke up preparing for the day, but I need to take in some fruit juice. So this is fresh fruit, and I'm about to blend. It's watermelon. And before we go on, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, Janelle's TV on YouTube. Don't forget to click on the notification bell in order to get all my new videos and to watch the old videos as well. I have the full bowl of watermelon, one bowl of watermelon, and I just cut some into pieces. This is half of it. You can see it's a very big one. And I'm trying to cut everything into pieces. I'll cut everything into pieces and also blend it. Okay, but I'll start with this one. Watermelons are naturally healthy. It deals with constipation and also keep your body so fresh, hydrated. Watermelons keeps the body hydrated, makes it very active. You need to take it every morning. You could take it early in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening before you go to bed. And if possible, after every meal, you could take watermelon. So all is set for the preparation. I have my blender. I also have my containers for storage. It's a bottle type, like a glass type. Yeah, a lot of them. I will store it in the fridge, and it's a lot. I cannot take everything this morning. I need to preserve some, and I've done my research. You could store watermelon, the juice of it in fridge for 3 to 4 days. And the first set is ready, and let me fill the bottle. You can see it's this is where you need your safari tissue. The tissue masters, just to clean it. Hey, this is actually very small. Everything. They go glass container more because freezer or ABR now or other stuff to say stew. Normally you're not supposed to put stew and soup in fridge, like at a fridge session where it's cooling. Yeah, you need to put stew, soup in your freezer. But to be aware now, they are two fridge, the cooler parts. So you need a glass container so that glass container so that the smell of your other stuff in the fridge wouldn't enter your fresh juice. So let me go and put the first set. Found it. Whoa. A lot of stuff in my fridge. Can you see me? Can you see me? The thing is blocking. Okay, because of the microwave, we cannot really see. I was just hoping so. Okay then. Where are you? What am I supposed to do? Because when it's okay. So then maybe I should cover the tip with some tissue, because intimate it cannot sit. I have to lay it. So that it will not leak. So me see. Let me just to have a taste of it. So I'll put the remaining. I'll take it right now. And then it will show for me. Let's work on another set. Working on another set. Working on another set. Okay. Jeez, this is. Woo! Okay. Told you it's a lot. Yeah. We are also ready to prepare another set. Where is the controller? We need to use this thing to make sure every blender has this thing. This is where you need to control it so it could blend easily. Ouch. I could add more. Every blender has this thing, so you need to use it to control it, to make it work easily for you. Please don't add water. Watermelon itself has a lot of water in it, contains a lot of water, very watery, so do not add water to it, I beg. And this is a bit into watermelon and is super nothing. Let's go and blend. Ta-da! Another set is ready. Okay, so don't ask me where to get this bottle. If you go to the nearby market, you get it across the country. Me, I got it from the supermarket. Me control drinks. It was supermarket. Normally we have these fridge used packed or stored in such container. So then I keep it for future use, for unseen occasions. So don't ask me where to get it. I got mine from supermarket. Not like this. It was with drink. I bought it with drink for juice. Sometimes strawberry, sometimes mango. But if you go to the market, I'm sure you get a container like this, glass container. It's available. I'm not going to sleep this weekend. So because this also cannot sit in my fridge, I would have to cover it with Should I? Or maybe I should cut it. Cut a little piece to control it, to control the leakage. Because I'm sure if I leave it like that, it's going to leak. If I'm supposed to put it like sit it inside the fridge, it would be normal. But because it cannot sit and I'm laying it like flat like this, I need to make sure it doesn't leak. So this one will also enter fridge, but we'll do another set.